In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money playing games on your phone, your iPad, and your iWatch, and whatever you have. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Satish Gear here from Dallas, Texas. Now, first of all, before I begin, every Friday is a good Friday here in this channel because every Friday I teach you how to make money. I teach you new, innovative ways to make money online, locally, and all that good stuff directly here. So if you want to be the first to find out, make sure to hit that subscribe button below this video. Got it? Do we have a deal? Let's move on with today's topic. So how do you actually make income playing games? That's the whole idea. So the idea is a company allows you to test video games, and then once you test it, you get paid. That's the whole simple concept. Now, let's talk about this company right here. So the company is called playtestcloud.com. Now, what you need to do is go to this website. Now, on the top, there is Become a Tester link. Now, once you go ahead and get up here, you need to go ahead and fill out this form. Now, before I fill it out, I want to let you know a few things. Now, keep in mind that anybody can do this. You don't have to be a hardcore gamer. Your kids could do it, okay? Let's go ahead and go back. So go ahead, enter your email address, your name, what games do you play. Now, if you play simple things like, I don't know, Ludo, whatever you want, just put whatever games you actually play right there. Now, next up is the very, very, very important part. Now, you gotta tell them what kind of devices that you actually own. So for example, if you have an iPhone, put there, you gotta go up here and say you got an iPhone, right? Which iPhone do you have? Now, chances are that if you have a latest iPhone, you'll get the most tests, just, the probability wise, because the games, they want to be tested out on the latest phone, right? Not an iPhone 4. Does that make sense? Now, make sure to put in everything that you own. So if you own an iPhone, put it there. Or do I own an iPad? Go put it your iPad right here, okay? iPad right here. It's right here. All of these are right here. And then you can go to Android and put up. So you have to type it up for Android because there's so many Android devices, right? So Samsung Galaxy, whatever you have, go ahead and type it up and you'll be able to get it. Now, on the others, if you have an Xbox, Windows Phone, PlayStation, computer, all that stuff, as you see, you can go ahead and put it up right here. Now, the idea is that, okay, whenever somebody needs a game tested, they're gonna send it out to people who actually own these devices. So based on that, so make sure to put up everything that you own so they know to whether to send it to you or not, okay? Now, which country do you live in? Now, keep in mind that currently they're doing US, UK, and a couple of other countries, but not every country in the planet. So, but do sign up because sometimes they might have an offer for you as well. So, but for the US, UK, Canada, these major countries, you should be fine, okay? Make sure to sign up, put in your gender, because they want to know, because somebody wants their game tested for men, they don't want to send it to female, right? So make sure to put that in. All that good stuff. Now, how does it actually work? So they will send you an email. The email will say, hey, you got an game here right now. Play it on your iPad, Android, whatever you want. So they'll send you a link. You click that link and you'll be able to you'll have to download an app and you can go ahead and play that game. Now, when you are playing the game, here's what you need to do. So I'm going to go ahead and go up here. So I'm going to open up a random game. So what you need to do is, let's go back. So when you are playing your game, boom, 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 like you gotta talk. So you have to say, hey, I love this logo. Hey, why does the pixel look so bad? So whatever is on your head, you gotta say it out. So that's the whole idea. So let's say I load it up, right? I'm like, such a bad logo, such a bad graphic. Hey, why does this is not working? There's a glitch. Keep in mind that you don't have to figure out everything. It's just your first impression when you play the game. What is it? Is it good, bad? So it all depends on you. So there's not really a right answer. There's not really a wrong answer. So you don't have to figure out all the problems. You just have to say, do you like the game? What do you like? So while you're playing it, you're gonna talk. So hey, I love the logo. Hey, that character looks pretty cool. It's pretty easy to use. I don't have to use tutorials. That's pretty good. So talk it out. That's all you gotta do. Now, once you go ahead and do that, you'll have to submit it. Very easy. And once that takes place, that's it. In a couple of days, sometimes a week or so, you will receive a payment of $9 to $10 for 10 minutes of gameplay. So keep that in mind, okay? So you'll get paid directly on your PayPal. So you do need a PayPal account. That's the only payment method that they are using at this point. So keep that in mind, okay? So every 10 minutes, 15 minutes you play, you get paid. Now, how can you scale this up and how can you make more money from it? Now, keep in mind that this is not going to replace your high income, but hey, you get paid for playing games. So that's not bad, right? So what you might want to do is have your wife signed up, have your kids sign up. Yeah, kids, because they are looking for an opinion. It's like a survey of a game, right? So have your kids sign up, have your wife sign up. So maybe you guys will all get up. So you have to get an email, right? So if maybe you'll all get an email for the same game or different games, and you guys are playing games for 10 minutes and you all got paid, and that pays for that food. Simple as that. So it's not a lot, but you can make some extra cash through this way. So that's it. Pretty simple, very easy. Now let's go ahead and cover it one more time. So what do you need? Whatever you have, Xbox, PC. So usually it's your phone. So you are not, I haven't heard anybody getting a game test for Xbox. Very unlikely, but for your iPhones, your Android, very often. So you need that. You need an internet connection, of course. You got to be able to play games. You will get an email. So the email will say, oh, we need 1,000 people to play this game. Now, keep in mind that email is being sent out to a lot of people. So it's based on first come and first serve. So if you're among those 1,000 people, you are in. You're good luck. So you have to you have to actually play the game before they fill up those slots. So if they say 10 people, you gotta be there, but usually it's not 10. It's usually much. It's like 500, 1,000. They won't tell you that amount usually. They'll just play the game, right? So if you're like, oh, I'll do it later, you might miss it. You might not be able to play these games and not make money. So make sure when you get that email, you play the game so you make the money. Okay. Now other requirements. Okay, when you are talking, reviewing the game, it has to be in English. So you might be living somewhere else. But make sure that when you're talking, it is in English. Keep that in mind. So you can't say, hola, me gusta this game, me gusta this juego, right? I need to brush up in my Spanish maybe. So I love this game. Oh, you gotta talk in English. Make sure of that, okay? Now they pay you, I said, $9 to $10 an hour. It's 10 minutes of game time, and that's not bad, okay? And that's pretty much it. So go to the site, click on that link and sign up today. Now, keep in mind, guys, one more thing. If you want to learn other awesome ways to make money, side hustle, make sure to go to sidehustle.net. Sidehustle.net, and you can sign up. If you sign up for an email, we're gonna send these to you ahead of time. I send out so many things on these emails that I don't even publish here on YouTube. I'll tell you that because there's a lot of things that I can't publish on YouTube. So I have to send it to you directly through your email, and I do that directly through right here. So make sure to subscribe on sidehustle.net. On top of that, if you go here, you'll be able to learn these new innovative ways to make money. Sounds fair? It's like a deal? Boom. Now, one more thing, okay? Every Friday, I teach you something new here, okay? So you have to be here. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, if you want your friend to find out about how they can make that extra cash, share my channel, please. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And again, take care till next Friday.